Load your family into the 2020 Toyota CHR.
Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine.
And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain.
Top features include a split folding rear seat,
Variably intermittent wipers,
a trip computer,
an automatic dimming rear view mirror,
lane departure warning,
remote keyless entry, and power windows.
Audio features include an AM/FM radio,
steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.